go to the cows. Hi! And I got my camera.
Are we waiting in line, guys?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
And
Oh yeah. What's gonna happen?
we're gonna go sledding.
That's right.
Hello, welcome back to Life on Sweezy Street. Today we're at the Santa Barbara Zoo celebrating the Snow Leopard Festival. What? We have our own little snow leopard with us. Her name is Willow. Look at all the snow leopard stuff they have. Ooh, look at this guy. Hello. Hello. Would you like to say hi? All right. Come on over.
Come on over, say hi.
Not gonna bite you.
He won't. I promise. No biting Fred, okay? There we go.
Fred the turtle.
Would you guys like some snow leopard cards? So he is a best friend of Snow Leopard. He's even wearing his Snow Leopard bandana because it's Snow Leopard Festival today. Are you guys excited? All right. There's so much snow up there. It is so fun.
Can't wait to see.
I hope you guys have an awesome time.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Fred.
What is that?
Looks like a slide with an alligator. What? Hey, look, our first glimpse of snow. Do you see it?
I want to play with it. Can I play with it?
Yeah.
Dad, it's real snow.
Ooh, it slipped right out. Let's slip. Ooh. Put on your butt. You okay?
It's slippery. Dad, we get
Look how much snow is in there. Look at snow in there.
Kisa, she is our resident snow leopard. She is 14 years old, so she's considered geriatric for snow leopard. They tend to live into their mid-teens or so in the wild. In human care, they can live into their mid to late teens. And we've also got some of her food hidden out there, and she's got a bone today, so that one hopefully she'll find at some point. We're trying to promote some of her natural behaviors with all of that, so these guys have a really great sense of smell.
Willow, what are we about to go see?
others.
Otters. We're about to go see the otters. Look, they gave the otters some snow. Oh, look, there's more down there. Do you see? They're coming up. They want to see the snow too.
There's 1, 2.
What do you think they think of all that snow?
I think I'm eating it.
Yeah, is it tasty?
I think.
How many otters are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. One of the prizes are rare.
This festival is so cool. They brought snow to a lot of different animals. We just saw all the snow at the otter exhibit, and now I think it's time for us to go sledding.
All right, we finally reached the snow. Here we go. Oh my gosh, are you ready, Olive? What about you, Willow? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God, snow play area. Off-roading, Hazel. Let's park this bad boy. I'm gonna get Hazel out, and we shall enjoy the festival. Olive, are you ready for this?
Okay.
You want to go the big one, right?
These guys are going to go down at the same time because they're going to race.
Feet right there, okay? Your whole body.
Nice. Dude, that was fast. You went rad, dude. Come on, Willow. You're okay.
You did great.
You did so good, Willow.
I'm a butterfly. And I have a butterfly shirt.
Oh, girls. What are you up to?
I got a snowball.
How are you gonna make a snowball? Pack it in here. Hey, Olive. Oh, look at this big old guy. Look at that guy. Here, you can throw one at me, but not at my head, on my body. Oh, you got me. Here. Step back in. Oh, nice. You're gonna wonder how they built it. You're gonna wonder how it was made. Every human around the world will ask questions. There you go, man. Oh, it's so compact and hard. Break it up. Is it everyone?
Ma'am? Oh, oh. Whoa. Yeah. That's awesome. And then up your ear. Got it? Okay. Good job. Just like that.
Hey, what am I
You're
doing?
gonna be a purple snow leopard?
I want to do one.
Good job. If you get all of the
We got everything. I'm a snow leopard. But I didn't do that already. I want to do
What do you think? You like it?
Love it. Isn't it perfect?
Can you give me a little growl? You're so cute. Let me see yours. Ooh, say flower power.
flower power.
Cuties.
Little Willow had a wipe out.
I know.
Oh, I love
Daddy, I break my hand.
you. You're okay. On your butt. All right, hold it out. Here we go. Here we go.
Mama, now you.
With that?
Dad, you won't film us.
Somebody lost their bracelet for the slide.
Okay, I don't think they were even checking the bracelets.
They were checking the bracelets. Trust me. Oh my God, is that Mr. Fox? You guys, let's go through the maze. Oh my God, this maze. Look how rad this place is. Baby capybaras. Capybaras. There's Mama Capybara over here. Where's the Mama Capybara? Where's that dang trinket?
Even the capybaras have snow. This is a really cool festival where they truck in a bunch of snow and put it in the enclosures and put it on the hills for kids to sled in. It's super fun. We're having a great time. What you doing, Dad?
Building a little snowman. Oh. Push his head.
Beautiful. Masterpiece.
Oh,
Oh, lost his head. Perfect. I've never seen a more beautiful snowman. The snow has melted, the fun has been had, and now we are saying goodbye yet again to another day at the Santa Barbara Zoo.